All right, Math 7, Mr. G. We're going to be focusing on semicircles and quarter circles. Today is April 23rd, 2020. Here we go. So earlier this week, Miss Cates went over circles, area of a circle, circumference of a circle, all that good stuff. For this lesson, we're going to go over half circles and quarter circles. Area of a semicircle. A semicircle is really just a half circle, all right? Now, we have a formula for that. It's half, because it's a half circle, so it's half times pi times r squared. So area of a circle, as you already know, is pi r squared. So area of a semicircle is half times pi times r squared. All right, let's get down to it. Example 1, find the area of the following semicircle. Now remember, a semicircle is really just a half circle. Here we have a half circle that has a diameter of 14 centimeters. If we head over to our formula, once we get to radius, we have to keep in mind that our radius is half of our diameter, which would give us a radius of 7 in this case. All right, I modeled it for you here. My first step, I had my formula. Second step, I substituted. I had my 7 squared, 49, and this is where I solved. Multiplied everything and got 76.93. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's your chance to practice some problems on your own. I decided to buy you guys a basketball court, but your job is to find out the area of the basketball court before I purchase it for you. All right, I'm shipping it to your houses, but before I do so, you have to find the area of the basketball court. Okay, break it down if you need to, in different figures, however you need to do so. Here's your measurements. Good luck. Pause this video, see what you get. After that, we're going to compare your answer to mine. All right, let's see what you got. Okay, I took some time out to draw this basketball court out for y'all. Hopefully you guys approve of it, right? I drew this on my own. Okay, so here's my measurements. Okay, as you can see here, I broke it down into 2 different problems. I substituted and then I solved. And as you can see here, here's my area, 56.52, area of my semicircle. 228 is the area of my rectangle. And 454.08 is the area of the entire basketball court. So please compare your answer to mine. If you got it right, please check your work, check it off. If you didn't, check your answers, check where you went wrong. All right, let's move along. All right, independent practice number 2. This fountain right here is made up of 2 semicircles and 1 quarter circle. We need to find the area of this entire fountain. Pause this video. Try to solve this on your own. After you're done, you're going to compare your answer to mine. Go. All right. Let's see what you got. Here's what I got. So, once again, I took the time out to draw out my fountain just to give you guys a visual of what we're working with. And I broke it down into 1 circle because I had a half and another half, and I put them together, and that gave me a circle. So I solved using the formula of a circle. I substituted 3.14 for pi. I had 10 for my radius because the diameter was 20, so I had 10, which was half of 20, is my radius. And then our final step is where we solve, and I got 3.14. Did the same thing. I have my formula for quarter circle right here. Then we substituted, and then we solved. I got 3.14, added them together, and the area of this entire fountain is 620 feet squared. It should have been, I should have wrote feet squared here, right? Because we're dealing with feet. All right. Now, all right, we reached the end of this lesson.